Instagram mass looking is a beast. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna hit you guys today with some more social media marketing secrets, and today we are gonna talk about a new way that people are using to blow up their Instagram channel, okay? And that Instagram secret is called Instagram mass looking. And this is the new thing that people are using to go inside of other people's stories with their account to view millions and millions of stories per day. Like, I'm talking up to 5 million stories a day. So what happens is when people post a story, you always go to it to see who was watching your story. So imagine if your profile account is in 5 million different stories in one day. That is a lot of people. So even if a small fraction of that goes to check out your profile because they see you viewing their story, the high probability of them following you is pretty good. So basically what you can do with Instagram mass looking is you can use it to comment on people's questions that they ask. You can use it to hit the polls. You can use it to do the slide bar swipe over. And that being said, people are gonna appreciate that you're engaging on their stuff, and then they're gonna go and check out your profile. So let me show you guys something really quick inside of my Instagram to show you how much this has actually boosted my account. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let's jump into my phone and check this out. All right, so how I can show you guys my analytics and proof of what's actually working. I'm gonna go to my Instagram right here, okay? And what you see is at the top, okay, when you go to that right here, you can click on it, and when you go to this little button, you're gonna see all the options that come up, okay? Now, what I wanna go to first is I wanna hit activity. Okay, so when we hit activity right there, you're gonna see all these analytics, and you see this big jump right here. This is incredible. And this is just me running Instagram mass looking for 2 days, all right? So if you take a look at these analytics, you see anywhere from 500 to 1,000, 1,500 range of average new people viewing my page per day, okay? Then you jump right over here and you see it says 4.5 thousand people. That's 40,000 people new visits to my profile in one day. And the next day was the Tuesday, we did 30,000 people in one day. Now that is because I ran the Instagram mass looking tool, which boosted my account. And you can also see right here, if you look at my impressions on my page, you're gonna see over 90,000 people have been to my account in not even 1 week, guys. It's 5 days. 5 days. 92,000 people have viewed my account. All right. Now, a big proportion of that is off of the Instagram mass looking. Now, I know people are thinking, oh, you got to pay for this tool. Now, before you pay for it, and disclaimer right here, I'm not making any money off of this. I'm just trying to teach you guys some secrets. So what you want to do is you want to check out all the different Instagram mass looking tools, and all of them provide a free trial. You don't have to put your Visa in, you don't have to put any information in, and basically you go to it, take advantage of the free trial, watch your account grow, and if you like it, you can sign up for about $8 a month and keep that going so it runs all the time on your account. All right, and if you guys want, I'll show you guys a simple setup so I can show you how to target your audience that works for you. So if you're in a specific business that you want to market, you can go to and find clients in that field. If you're in a specific niche, like a travel niche, then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna set it up to target people that have a lot of followers, people that have like 1-2 million followers, and you wanna target it so that your Instagram mass looking tool only goes inside people that are following those accounts, because if it's likely that they're following those accounts, they're probably gonna follow your account. So that being said, you wanna make sure your targeting is on point and it's really, really gonna work for you. So this is something that is very new to Instagram. They're always coming up with new stuff, so if you guys want to keep up with the new social media marketing secrets, subscribe down below and I'll make sure I show you guys. And if you would like me to show you how to set it up and which one that I am using, then comment down below and I'll add that to my next video. Alright guys, so thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go enjoy Mexico and have some fun. See you later.